Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Python project which is entitled as Chronic Kidney Disease Stage Identification in HIV infected patients using machine learning. So in this project we have developed the project using the model algorithm support vector machines, and the accuracy score received is 0.9375. So now let us see the execution of the project. Go to the command prompt, go to the source code location and type python app.py. Copy the URL, go to your browser, paste this URL, and now you can see the home screen or welcome screen of the project with the project title. And now you can see the login menu. Just click the login menu and kindly note that this is a static login page because we have not used any kind of database here, as we are going to use a machine learning algorithm. So just enter the default username and password admin and then click login, and once the login is success, it will be navigated to the upload part. So here you need to upload the data set. So just go to the source code location and select the upload.csv file and click upload button. And once if you click the upload button, you can able to preview the data set. So here you can see the data set with the data set features ID, age, BP. So here you can see the short forms of the description. So just open your base paper and there you can see the attributes description. So here you can see age, gender, ethnicity, blood pressure, specific gravity. So those details have been shortened here. So those details have been shortened here. You can see that blood pressure is BP, SG is specific gravity, and AL is albumin, SU is the sugar, RBC is red blood cells, and here you can see PC, pus cell, and PCC is pus cell clamps, BA is bacteria, BGR is blood glucose random, BU is blood urea, SC is serum creatinine, SOD is sodium, POT is potassium, and the next one hemo is hemoglobin, and PCV is packed cell volume, WBCC is white blood cell count, RBCC is red blood cell count, HTN is hypertension, DM is diabetes mellitus, CAD is coronary artery disease, APET is appetite, PE is pedal edema, ANE is anemia, and the final is the class. So now just scroll down till the end of the page. So you can see the complete data set has been loaded. So which consists around 399 data, and just click to train or test button. And once the training is finished, you can see the training finished message. Click OK and it will be navigated to the prediction part. So here we can find the prediction whether the chronic kidney disease is available or not. So let me show you with the two cases, that is positive and negative case. and you can check with the other scenarios also. Now let me enter the age 48, blood pressure 80, albumin 1, sugar 0, red blood cells normal, PUS cell normal, PUS cells clumps it's normal, sorry it's not present, bacteria not present, blood glucose random is 121, blood urea 36, serum 1.2, potassium 0, white blood cell count 7800, hypertension yes, diabetes mellitus yes, coronary artery disease no, pedal edema no, anemia no. So now let me check the prediction value for this data. So just click predict button, and now you can see the prediction is abnormal, which is a positive case. Now let me again click prediction and enter some different value and check for the other case. So age 57, blood pressure 60, albumin 0, sugar 1.02, red blood cells normal, PUSL normal, PUSL clumps not present, bacteria not present, blood glucose random 105, blood urea 49, serum 1.2, potassium 4.7, white blood cell count 10,400, hypertension no, diabetes no, coronary artery disease no, pedal edema no, anemia no. So now let me check the prediction result for this data and click predict button, and now you can see the prediction is normal. So there is no any chronic kidney disease kind of symptom for this data. And as a scenario, I have shown you for both the cases with the positive and negative case. You can also check with the other data from the trained data set. And now let me go to the performance analysis part. So in the performance analysis part, you can see the precision and the recall value, and then you can see the confusion matrix. And finally we'll go for the chart part. So this chart is a static chart. This is not a dynamic one because we have not used any database to store the value. So this chart values are being depicted from the data set that we are trained up with. So this consists around normal cases of 60% and abnormal cases of 40%. And here you can see the gender wise percentage value. So male as 52%, female as 38%, and others as 8%. Chart part consists of pie chart and bar chart. And now let me log out. And this is all about the project chronic kidney disease stage identification in HIV infected patients using machine learning. And thank you for watching.